Okay, this video is going to be about wall repair, maybe other repairs too. Now that most of this is out here, I guess it's time to do this. So, okay, we've got a few issues with the laminate flooring that I think we just live with. There's some places that are worse than others. I don't know if that can be disguised or repaired in any way, but I don't know. Not too concerned about that. We have this crack in the ceiling that I really don't know what it's about. I think it's probably a sheetrock joint. Oh, and there's another one over here that'll have to be repaired. I hadn't seen that one before. And we got nail holes. This is above the fireplace, and then over here a bunch, and then a few on that wall. I'm not sure about these boxes above the curtain, above the windows, but if we paint this gray with a white trim, those painted white would look good, and the same with this stain thing. Of course, we have to do this repair down here. I noticed that these baseboards are not caulked or anything, and they'd be pretty easy to remove and paint. I would much prefer that to trying to mask and paint, but that may not be entirely up to me. But anyway, I'm kind of leaning towards the idea that if we do the gray with the white trim, at least on this main level, that would be high impact. And so apparently John vacuumed that off or something, because I sure didn't. As far as preserving the carpet, there's these two issues with the carpet. Cat scratches. Got a cat. Okay, we got some wall repair right up there. I shouldn't be jerking this phone around so much, it's hard to watch. There's some repair here. Little crack there. I should look in the kitchen. I didn't look in here. I think, well, there's this right here, but I don't think there's anything we can do about that except caulk or putty. I don't see any other significant wall repair in the kitchen. Coming up the stairs now. I've already showed the problems here. That's from furniture hauling, I'm sure. In fact, I don't even know how they got a box springs up here. That looks too small. But that would be the next guy's problem. We got a few nail holes in the master bedroom. These things, I don't know what they are. I imagine they twist out, but I really don't know. A little bit of repair right there. Up in that corner. I don't know if this is sheetrock or lath and plaster. It kind of looks like lath and plaster, doesn't it? And then this wall here needs some attention. I don't know if that shows up, but it's not too bad. We have another hairline crack in this ceiling. Just a small one. I'm not sure this ceiling needs paint. And by the way, I think these baseboards are also quite easy to remove. Wanted to do that in paint. Oh, it's working now? I couldn't get that to work. Maybe it has something to do with the switch on the other end. I don't know. Okay, the hallway. That's where a smoke detector was. I think we have the smoke detector. Okay, we got your typical, I don't know how that happened. There is a stopper there, but anyway, I got a doorknob repair, doorknob damage repair, a little bit there. Well, we got to address this thing. Otherwise, not a lot. And all of this baseboard and casing actually has a nice gap, and we could pull it and paint it, as opposed to masking. I'm not a, well, that one's really loose right there. You got a big gap. It's from when they put the laminate flooring in. They obviously pulled it and put it back down. So that could be done fairly simply. I think we have the same issues, same here. But where this room is wood anyway, I doubt we'd want to do that with these this knotty pine. So we got three walls that are knotty pine. It's just a matter of getting the stickers off, cleaning those up. Got a little above the window damage. Well, I'm going to go back down to the master bedroom, and show some damage here. This window piece is warped, and it doesn't latch, and you have to, a piece of it catches over here so it doesn't close when you raise it up. So its function is a little suspect, but there are 3 windows in this room, and the other 2 seem to function okay. I think it's the sun on that side of the house that's created the problem. Okay. And the doors, we paint them white, I don't know. Alright, it's just stickers on the sliding doors. Uh-oh. I never noticed that before. That kind of looks like a failing roof. Once again, the ceiling in this room is not bad. Might not even have to paint it. Kind of loud, the walls aren't that bad. There's been some child writing and stuff on them. Little gouging in the paint. Of course, that thing would have to be cleaned up. Reattached. This room, piece of cake. And they did paint the baseboard gray in here on both sides. I didn't notice that before. So there's something. And then finally, into the bathroom, I had a hook here for hanging towels, I guess, because there's a towel bar over here. That'd be a hand towel. It does have a GFI. I think it works. The switch for this room is out here. It's a lighted switch. It's got a piece of damage right there. Of course, we gotta fix the faucets. I think the mirror and the fixture are fine in here. I've attached something to the tile at some time there. Not sure what it was. Maybe the toilet paper holder. What's that sound? This window's open. Okay, so blue tiles in good shape. Needs to be severely cleaned. Probably need to buy a shower rod and curtain. I don't know. But I think we're painting it blue again to match the tub. I don't know. But that's pretty, oh yeah. This window too also has a problem. You can see it's not even in the spot and it doesn't latch. It's that heat from the west exposure of full sun. And I think it's probably, most of it's happened in the last little while. Okay. Huh. Is that the doorbell transformer? Might be. There's all sorts of things that, oh, I see what they did. Those little rings that we've got a bunch of downstairs are for holding this insulation up here. I don't think we have enough to do it. Maybe between the rolls and that. But that polystyrofoam some light coming in somewhere. Huh. But anyway, those little circles are for holding that up there. It's cool.